Hi friends, welcome to SpecsNext, your gadget and service review platform. Today we will be doing the unboxing of Antbond dry cabinet, or you can also say the Antbond dehumidifying box. This is one of the most essential equipment a photographer must acquire, especially if you are staying at a location where mostly the relative humidity of the atmosphere remains high all the time. Most of the camera manufacturing companies recommends a relative humidity of 45% where you can keep your equipments safely so that your equipments don't get affected with fungus. So if you want to keep your lenses and cameras free from fungus, then a dry cabinet is a must. So friends, let's go ahead and see the unboxing of this Antbond dry cabinet. And in the later part of the video, I will also show the capacity of this box. I will put few cameras and lenses so that you can have an idea of the capacity of this box. The model that I will be unboxing is AD50C. This is the Antbond AD50C. This is the Antbond AD50C model. The net weight is 9.1 kgs and gross weight is 10.8 kgs. The measurement, yes, this is very important. The measurement is 350 by 380 by 670 millimeter. So let us go ahead and do the unboxing. I hope you can see the things properly. This is well insulated with thermocols. I will slowly replace all the thermocols. You can see the box. I have just done the unboxing of this cabinet. We have two trays inside it. So this is the box. As you can see, the Antbond logo is present here, and a display. This shows the temperature and the humidity. The door opens this way. We have 1 and 2 trays. And what else we get inside? This is the power adapter. This is our 5-volt power adapter. The user manual. And we also get 2 keys so that we can keep our equipment safe. I would say the build quality is quite impressive. The metal used is quite solid. It feels a solid metal. The front part is a glass. It is a tempered glass. You can see the model is AD50C. It is a 50-liter cabinet. The capacity is 50 liter. So what we get 2 trays. This is compartment is for keeping your lenses, and here you can keep camera and other stuff. The important thing is that we can take this tray out and we can arrange this trays as per our requirement. We can adjust the height of this tray as per our requirement. And we can also lock the cabinet. If we turn clockwise direction, the cabinet is locked. The handle is locked. And then if we turn it anti-clockwise direction, then the lock is open and then you can open the cabinet. Now I am going to plug the cabinet on. I will provide power supply to this cabinet and see how the display comes up and the settings of this dry cabinet. I will show you at what relative humidity we should keep and how to do that in this cabinet. So this is the power jack, this is the port for the power jack, and you have to put this power jack at the back side of the cabinet. As you can see, I have powered the cabinet. Now this cabinet is live with power supply. The temperature this is showing is 24.9 degrees Celsius and the relative humidity is 49%. Now I will show you what is the actual capacity of this cabinet with the help of my camera and lenses, so that you can see what is the practical volume of this cabinet. This is my 70-300 lens. This is my 50 mm lens. And this is my Tokina 11-20 mm lens. And this is my Nikon D800 with 85 mm lens. So as you can see, I have kept three lenses, one 70-300 mm lens, one 50 mm lens and one 11-20 mm lens. These are relatively small lenses, but yes, you can see there is enough space for more lenses in this lens compartment. Also, I have kept my D800 along with 85 mm lens in this second compartment, and you can see there is huge space. I can keep another camera body with a lens, with a medium format lens. Not only that, after keeping two camera bodies and all these lenses, I have this third compartment left. Means I can keep more lenses in the third compartment. These Antbond cabinets are available in 30 liters, 50 liter, 80 liter and 120 liter. This is also, I think, available in a 21 liter capacity also. This 50 liter cabinet can easily keep your 200-500 lens, that Nikon 200-500 lens, or Tamron 150-600 mm lens. Those are quite big lenses, but I have seen people keeping 70-200 2.8 lens, 24-70 2.8 lens, 150-600 mm lens, that is the tele lens, is a huge tele lens, or the Nikon 200-500 lens. So this cabinet is very efficient in keeping all your necessary photography equipments at a very moderate price. One very important thing I would like to give you as a note: while adjusting that knob, that is while adjusting or fixing the relative humidity of this box, do not forget to keep the relative humidity above 30%. Most of the camera makers recommend to keep your camera and all other equipments at a relative humidity of around 45%. So keep the relative humidity inside this cabinet at 45%. Do not go beyond 30%, because the rubber parts or the sealant part will get dry and they will come out of the camera or your lenses, and they will perform faultily. Thank you for watching this video. That's all for today. If you like this video and if you think that this video has helped you in any way in gaining some kind of knowledge about this dry cabinet, then please comment, share and like on this video. This will help us to produce more good videos for you in future. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you for watching this video. That's all for today. If you think this video has helped you in gaining any kind of knowledge related to this product, then please like, share and comment in the video. This would help us to produce more good videos for you in future. Thank you. Have a nice day.